When I graduated college in 2013, I didn't realize that I'd just spent the first 2.5 decades of my life chasing a dream I never dreamt for myself. Thankfully, it only took me a few years before I realized that I was living in a nightmare. I hated waking up to an alarm, I hated rushing to shave and get my tie on, I hated running to work to clock in like a robot, and then having to hop step to the beck and call of someone who was making a ton more money than me off of all my hard work. Having a job is such a scam. I wasn't eating or sleeping well, I was getting fat, and I was perpetually stressed out. That's why I started looking for ways to take control over my schedule, my income, and the work that I was doing. At times I was making pennies on the dollar, even less than that, and the people around me, even my family, couldn't understand why I was working hard for such little money. But I kept searching, I kept learning, and stayed committed to the idea that I would never have to clock in again, and that I could build my own income off my own work, doing what I actually enjoy. And if I hadn't started doing that in 2016, then I wouldn't be making this video for you right now.